What's going on, everyone? My name is Alex, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $10,000 a month in passive income. That means you're doing the work up front and you don't have to do the work after that for the client. And we're going to do this with a free AI tool that helps you automate your sales on a service that you only have to fulfill once to get passive reoccurring income. And the best part is I have nothing to sell you in this video. In fact, I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff that is going to take you through step by step everything that you need to do to start earning money with this free AI tool. And again, all this is 100% free, so you can do this as a complete beginner from anywhere around the world. Inside this video, you're actually going to get a step-by-step checklist with a course inside that is going to walk you through everything that you need to do to start making money in your first 7 days. You're also going to be getting a link to a free one-on-one group call with me so that I can answer any of the questions you might have. You're going to get group calls in Discord. Go join this Discord server. We have them every Saturday at 1 p.m. PST, and it is coming up very, very soon, and you don't want to miss it, so make sure you get in here. You're going to get an imported snapshot that we're going to actually import into our AI software, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes here. And this is going to include 60 days worth of email automation, as well as landing pages, websites that are already built out so that you don't have to do much at all. You're also going to get a bunch of bonuses down here, including emails, Instagram Reels, YouTube long forms, stuff like that. But one of the most important things on this list is 400 plus AI tools that you can actually get paid to promote. You can go to any one of these tools and actually grab their affiliate link and make money on the side of what we're doing, which is offering this service to businesses. Now, how exactly are you going to get this stuff? And then we're going to get into how we're actually going to make this money passively. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the description of this video, and you're actually going to first like, comment, and subscribe so I can send you all the free bonuses. And once you've done that, you're going to go to thefacethisvideo.com/home, which is located in the description of this video. So you're going to click this right here. It's going to send you to a landing page that I've set up for everyone here. It has a 2-minute video of me talking about what you're going to get, how you're going to get it, stuff like that. This is what I look like. And then you are going to have a button for the free Discord. So you're going to click here and join the Discord, and then you're also going to get a button to get my free AI software. Now, when you click this, you're actually going to get a sign up for free pop-up, which is just going to give me your information so that I can get you all these bonuses for 100% free. I know where to send it, so make sure that this is all accurate information so that I can send you all the information. So you're going to put all your information in here, you're going to click get my free software, and after that, you're going to get sent to the free AI software that has a 14-day free trial for you guys through my link. Now, what does this mean? Because I told you that everything was going to be free. Well, matter of fact, I was able to get a 14-day free trial for you for this software, and the best part is as I said before, you're going to make money in the first 7 days if you put this knowledge to work. Because guess what? You're going to make anywhere from $300 to $500 from your first client, and it's going to pay for this software before you even have to pay for it. So I'm getting you this 14-day free trial so I can get you in the door, make money, pay for the software, and more, and then you can stack on passive income. So even when you're paying for this, it's not going to matter that you're paying for it because you're going to be making all this money. Now, what are we going to be offering to these businesses? Because I mentioned that we're going to make passive income by offering AI services to businesses. Well, once you actually sign up for this, you're going to get a prompt that looks like this. Put in your full name, email, phone number, put in a company name. If you don't have one, put your own company name, and then put in the trial details, and then you're going to get sent to a dashboard that looks kind of like this. And this is going to be the vehicle of how we're going to make all our money. Now, what are we going to offer these businesses? Because I bet you businesses get offered stuff all the time, and it's very, very hard to sell business owners things that they don't think they need. Now, this is where this good strategy comes in so that we get rid of all of the stress on the business owner. So what we're going to do is we're going to find local business owners like plumbers, like electricians, like roofers, stuff like that, and we're actually going to offer an AI software that is going to actually book appointments for them automatically when they don't respond to the leads. So for example, we have a thing called Conversation AI, which is going to go on their Instagram, their Facebook, their website, stuff like that, and it's going to answer questions and actually have the intent to book an appointment with these people so that they don't have to have live people actually on there chatting with them. And it's going to save them a lot of time, it's going to save them a lot of money, And the best part about this is that we're going to offer this for completely free for the first 7 days to show the business what we can actually do before they start paying. Now, once we actually get them the results that they're looking for, which is appointments booked, stuff like that, which could be valued at more than $100 up to thousands of dollars depending on the company, you're actually going to go get paid $300 to $500 a month per client. Because you're probably like, Alex, $300 to $500 a month is a lot of money. Well, guess what? Let's do the math real quick. Let's say we have a plumber that misses 10 calls a month and they have an average ticket of $1,000 per client. Well, 10 times 1,000 is $10,000, right? But then we have to subtract what their average closing rate is, which we'll say for this example is 30%. So 30% of $10,000 is $3,000 a month in lost revenue without the AI follow-up that we're offering. So with that being said, we can then pitch it like this: hey, you're losing out on $3,000. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna charge $500, and by you paying us $500, you are actually gaining an extra $2,500 in revenue for your business. And how we're gonna do that is by setting up this AI software that doesn't have maintenance, but we charge them because it is a software that we have to pay for. Now, it's all simple to say that, but how are you actually going to know what to say? How are you going to sell this? Because I said you don't need any prior experience. You don't need any marketing experience, any tech experience. Well, this is how you're going to do it. When you actually go into the course, I actually have a sales script that I've actually made for you to say exactly what to say to these businesses. So this is super easy for you. I made it super easy with this course. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, get that stuff. But for the rest of this video, I want to do a simple setup on how we're actually going to set up one of these tools, which we're actually going to focus on conversation AI. Now, there's other things like mixed call text back. There's AI employee, which will answer the phone if no one answers, which is really, really cool, and actually book appointments for your clients. But for now, let's focus on conversation AI. So if we actually go over here to our dashboard right here, we're going to go into a sub account, which we have created in the course. So if you don't understand any of this, go make sure you go in the course. And we are actually going to go into settings here, and we are going to click conversation AI. Now with this, you're going to get a page that looks like this. And what it's going to let you do is actually customize and train the bot for what the business is. For example, if we're looking for plumbers, we're actually just going to go to Google right here, and we're going to search up plumbers in Phoenix, Arizona, because that is my general area of where I'm at. And you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see a list of businesses within the Phoenix, Arizona area, and you can actually click more business here, and we're going to see all the businesses that are around here. Now, you're going to see that some of these have sponsored next to them, which is great because we want to target businesses that are already spending money on marketing. And since it says sponsored, it means they're paying for Google Ads to be at the top of the list, so they have money to pay. That is very, very important. And say we want to use Ben Franklin Plumbing as an example, we can actually go to their website right here, and then we can actually grab the link at the top, go back to Conversation AI, and actually train it with that link. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on to autopilot. We're going to do the supported channels. So we're going to do SMS, Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, live chat, stuff like that. And then we're going to actually go to bot training, and this is where we're going to paste the URL to get the data. Now what this is going to do is it's going to fetch all the pages. It's going to teach the AI bot everything about the website, the Q&As, the times they're open, the services they offer, all these different Q&As, so that the bot is ready to answer any question that somebody might ask. Now this is going to take 20 to 30 seconds to load, and then it's going to show up down here under uploaded links. So as you see, it just got trained, the status just changed, and now we can actually go test it by going to the bot trial. So right here we can say, for example, what services do you offer? And the bot is actually going to spit out a response. We offer a wide range of plumbing services, including garbage disposals, clogged drains, broken plumbing pipes, gas lines, and water heater repair / installation in Phoenix, Arizona. And that's great because we didn't even do much. We literally took 30 seconds and uploaded a link so that this bot learned what the business is about. Now let's say that this didn't come out as perfect as it did, right? We can actually click the thumbs down button and actually change anything about this so that it matches what the business owner wants it to say. And most of these business owners are actually going to have a list of the most common questions that are asked by their business. So with that, we can actually go back to bot training and actually go down to customize bot responses, and we can actually add custom responses for this bot to say based on a question that is a very, very common question within the business, which is great because we can grab this and answer the questions without having someone there that you're paying, an hourly rate. So this is cool and all, but I said we're going to book appointments and stuff like that. How are you going to do this? Well, what we're actually going to do is we're actually going to go to configure intents, and this is where it gets really, really cool because we can actually customize this to actually have the intent to book an appointment during the live chat. So what this means is if we just enable this right here, we can add a calendar that it's going to book an appointment to, and I go through all this in the course, so we're not going to make a calendar in this video today. So we're going to pick a calendar, and then the bot is actually going to talk to us and have the intent to book an appointment. So for example, if somebody asks what services do you provide, it's most likely going to ask, hey, we offer this services. Do you want to book an appointment so you can hear what we're about, stuff like that. And then we can have the calendar automatically ping the employees of the business and actually notify them of the time of the meeting, and then they can get on a sales call with these businesses. And what you got to realize is businesses that have high tickets like this pay hundreds of dollars for these appointments, and the fact that we're only offering this for $300 to $500 a month is a total game changer, especially since we are getting rid of the risk for the business owner by offering it for completely free for the first 7 days. So with that being said, that kind of brings us to the end of the video here. Now I have much more to say about this in the course, so make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Get the link, get the course, get all that stuff. And I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, make sure to book a call with me up here in the new resource checklist right here. Go ahead and book a call with me. Get in the free group calls, all that stuff. I can't wait to watch you succeed. Have a good one, everyone. Peace out.